Are you looking for the best Vitamix blenders? Protein shakes demand reliable blending performance, consistent texture, and convenience for busy lifestyles. This comparison reviews 5 popular blenders, spanning budget to premium, focusing on how well they handle protein powders, frozen ingredients, and everyday shakes. Our testing methodology combined quantitative measures, blend times, ice crushing capability, and cleanup time, with qualitative observations.
Product number 1, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Overview. The Ninja QB3001SS is a compact, single-serve personal blender designed for on-the-go protein shakes. It features a 700-watt push-to-blend motor base, a compact footprint, and 2 16-ounce cups with pour spout lids. The included recipe guide and BPA-free components emphasize everyday convenience and portability, making it a strong budget option. Its pulse technology is highlighted as a key feature for more controlled texture without a bulky pitcher. Price point at $59.99 positions it as an entry-level choice within this category. Performance-wise, the 700-watt base is sufficient for typical protein shake blends, but expect limited endurance with heavy add-ins like frozen fruit-heavy recipes or dense powders. The design favors quick smoothies and shakes, with ice crushing capabilities noted, yet the blade and plastic cup construction may introduce heat buildup during longer blending sessions. For users who prioritize portability and dishwasher-safe parts over batch size or ultra-smooth texture, the QB3001SS delivers reliable results. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to BPA-free, dishwasher-safe components, and the dual-cup setup supports grab-and-go routines.
Product number 2, Ninja BL660 Professional. Overview. The Ninja BL660 expands capabilities with a 1,100-watt motor and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher. It adds 3 speeds, a dedicated single-serve function, and built-in food processing for chopping and meal prep, making it a versatile countertop option. The set includes 2 16-ounce to-go cups and a robust blade assembly, aiming to balance family-sized batches with portable smoothies. Priced at $99.99, it sits as a mid-range choice for households needing more capacity and versatility than a pure personal blender. Performance-wise, the BL660 excels at ice crushing and blending tough ingredients, producing smoother textures even with frozen fruit and protein powders. The 72-ounce pitcher supports batch preparation, while the single-serve cups offer on-the-go convenience. The 3-speed controls and pulse function allow more customization, though tall blending requires attention to clearance in some cabinets. Cleaning remains manageable with BPA-free parts, though larger pitcher may require more space and time during cleanup.
Product number 3, Ninja BN701 Professional. Overview. The Ninja BN701 represents a step up with a 1400 peak watt motor and Auto IQ pre-programmed options for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher and built-in recipe inspiration guide position it as a high-value, family-friendly option. It shares the same large pitcher approach as other Ninjas, but emphasizes automation to simplify routine blends, appealing to users who want consistent results with minimal manual intervention. Performance-wise, Auto IQ programs streamline complexity by combining timed pulsing and pauses, delivering reproducible textures without guesswork. The 72-ounce capacity is practical for multi-serving batches, while dishwasher-safe, BPA-free components support easy cleanup. For protein shakes, the Auto IQ Smoothies program can rapidly blend powders with liquids into smoother textures, though for very dense blends.
Product number 4, Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Overview. The Vitamix E310 Explorian is a high-end professional-grade blender with 10 variable speeds, a 48-ounce container, and a self-cleaning design. It emphasizes culinary precision with a robust motor, durable stainless steel blades, and a cooling/thermal protection system. The E310's design targets serious home chefs who demand repeatable textures and the ability to craft sauces, emulsions, and blended soups beyond protein shakes. Its premium price point reflects its build quality and long-term durability. Performance-wise, the 10-speed control allows incremental texture adjustments, from silky smoothies to chunky salsas.
The self-cleaning feature speeds up maintenance, and the hardened stainless steel blades maintain performance over many cycles. The 48-ounce container is a versatile size for small families, though it may be insufficient for very large batches. The Vitamix platform also benefits from a strong warranty, a 5-year full, which adds long-term value and confidence for daily protein shake routines that
Product number 5. NutriBullet Personal Blender Overview. The NutriBullet NBR-0601WM is a compact, personal-sized blender with 600 watts of power and a 24-ounce cup. It emphasizes quick, simple smoothies and shakes with a removable blade design for easy cleaning and portability. The familiar twist and blend mechanism makes it approachable for beginners, and its 24-ounce capacity aligns with single-serve usage and travel-friendly scenarios. Performance-wise, the 600-watt motor is adequate for standard protein powder blends with water or milk and modest frozen fruit. The extractor blade aims to optimize nutrient extraction, and the to-go cup with lip ring supports on-the-go consumption. Cleaning is straightforward due to removable blade and top-rack dishwasher compatibility. For users who value portability and simplicity over batch size, the NutriBullet provides reliable, everyday